Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to QRS Offline Lectures. Subject Atlas. Topic Annual Rainfall and Climatic Zones of Pakistan. Dear students, in this lesson we will learn about climatic zones and sources of rainfall in Pakistan. What is climate and weather? Climate. Weather is generalization of the day-to-day weather conditions over a long period of time, usually 30 years. Weather. Weather refers to the atmospheric conditions of any place for a short period of time or temporary changes in the climate. What is a difference between weather and climate? Weather. Weather is what conditions of the atmosphere are over a short period of time. Climate. Climate is how the atmosphere behaves over a relatively long period of time. Seasons of Pakistan. Pakistan has 4 seasons. Number 1. Winter. Winter takes place mid-summer to March. Number 2. Early summer. Early summer takes place April to June. Number 3. Late summer. Late summer takes place July to September. Number 4. Post-monsoon. Post-monsoon takes place from October to mid-December. Zones of Pakistan are Highlands Zone, Arid Zone, Lowland Zone and Coastal Zone. Climatic zones of Pakistan. Highland Zone region, Northern, North, Western and Western Highlands. Areas are Chitral, Mari, Muzaffarabad, Tarush, Quetta, Kalat, Parachinar and Waziristan. And the climate of these regions are: the winters are long, cold and snowy, and summers remain short and mild. Rainfall is normally associated with altitude. Rainfall in northern mountain is highest in the highland zone. Rainfall in the western mountain is less. The temperature conditions also vary from north to west depending on the altitude. North. Summers are short and mild because of transfer of heat from central Pakistan at high angle of sun. Winters are very cold because of high altitude and low angle of sun. West. Summers are dry and warm in western mountain because of continental effect, aridity and high angle of sun. Winters are mild, warm because of low angle of sun, altitude and western depressions. Rainfall. The quantity of water expressed in inches precipitated as rain, snow, hail or sleet in specified areas and time interval. Only in a few northern areas humid conditions are found. The rainfall in Pakistan is highest in northern areas, decreases towards south. Sources of rainfall in Pakistan are monsoon winds, the western depression, convectional currents, relief rainfall and tropical cyclones. Monsoon winds. Monsoon winds are seasonal winds which blow during summer and winter. The summer winds are called southwest monsoon and the winter winds are called northeast monsoon. Southwest monsoons are giant sea breezes which bring rainfall. The rains begin when the ocean are less heated and land is more heated. The air from the land rises, developing a low pressure, and it attracts the cool air, causing heavy rainfall. Northeast monsoon blow from the land towards the sea. Western depression. Western depression are the cyclones which originate in Mediterranean Sea. They travel across Afghanistan and Iran and then reach the western part of Pakistan. The moisture in the air is evaporated, causing rainfall. Convectional currents. Hot air rises during summer, and when it reaches the high layer of atmosphere, condensation takes place, causing rainfall. Strong winds accompanying the storm may pick up the dust with them. Only northern and northwest areas of Pakistan receive rainfall from convectional currents. Southern Pakistan, despite being more hot than the northern areas, experience less rainfall because of temperature inversion layer. Relief rainfall. Relief rainfall is related to the height of land. It occurs when moist, unstable air moves up a mountain edge and it is chilled. Heavy condensation takes place and rainfall occurs. Tropical cyclones. Tropical cyclones bring heavy rainfall for few hours and can cause a lot of destruction. They originate in Arabian Sea quite often but rarely reach the coast of Pakistan. Therefore, this source of rainfall is totally unreliable. Dear students, that's all about today's lesson. Thank you. Happy learning.